for the manufacture of large-scale construction machinery with production components weighing several tons. The interface between processes is a difficult problem, especially in their surface coating work. Especially in the coatings of their surfaces, specialized methods and equipment are required in the face of such a heavy workpiece. Conventional conveying methods are obviously unable to meet the needs of the coating process. In order to solve this problem, ZHYAO has adopted the Advanced Accumulation Tight Chain Conveyor System. This system is not only able to withstand the inter-process transportation of heavy workpieces, it can also be used to accurately control the processing time of each process by means of a beat-to-beat production mode. Precisely control the processing time of each process. It realizes the seamless connection between each link. Therefore, for the surface coating of large construction machinery, ZHYAO's successful experience provides a good example for industry users. This is a complete line of traveling accumulator, paint lines designed for crushing hammers. The maximum size of the workpiece is 2.6 meters in length, 0.86 meters in width, and 2 meters in height. The weight of the workpiece is nearly 5 tons. To perform multi-process simultaneous online machining, the entire production rhythm is carried out in 6 minutes per piece. Heavy workpieces are loaded by mechanical assistance. The heavy workpieces are mechanically loaded and transported to the grinding area by a suspended chain. It takes 6 minutes to completely remove surface impurities. After grinding, the machine enters the preheating zone. The preheating zone can be used to preheat 2 workpieces at the same time. This allows a single workpiece to remain in the preheating zone for up to 12 minutes. After preheating is completed, we enter the automatic spraying room. Here the robot will complete the all-round painting of the workpiece in one-time beat. In order to ensure the painting effect, after the automatic spraying station, there is another manual spraying room. Here a manual check or partial repainting work is carried out. Afterwards, the workpieces are transported by hanging chains. Conveyance to the paint homogenizing station for 2 consecutive. Paint homogenizing station for automatic leveling of the paint surface. Afterwards, the drying area is entered. The temperature of the drying zone is set at the optimum curing temperature of the paint. The drying time is 60 minutes. After the drying process, the paint enters the cooling room. After drying, the paint enters the cooling room where it is cooled down for 12 minutes. This ensures that the paint is fully cured. The finished product enters the unloading area, mechanically assisted transportation into the assembly process. Thus, a complete set of large. The surface coating work of a complete set of large and heavy machine parts is completed. ZHYAO has many years of experience in the design and manufacture of spraying lines. Design and manufacturing experience. We are familiar with the technical points that need to be adopted in the coating process of all kinds of products. We are able to help all kinds of users to realize the high quality and high efficiency of product surface coating, at the same time with energy savings and environmental protection. Choose us is to choose the professional and trust.